I'm almost ready. Man, somebody tried to scam me, Bobby Blue. I tried to buy something on Reddit. Somebody trying to steal my money from me. So I just filed a dispute on PayPal. Hopefully I can get my money back. I'm not too worried. I'm pretty sure I'll get my money back. But it just sucks. Wasted time, man. Anyways. How's my audio? Microphone check. 1, 2. Alright. Think it's working. Alright, y'all ready? Or should I wait? Have you done the daily problem yet? Should I check it out? Here, let me share my screen. I guess I'll just start. Pixel Pusher, what's happening? Studying segments? What segments? Segment trees? Nah, man. I don't know. I think I should study segment trees one of these days. But not right now. Not right now. Let me see what the daily problem is. Yeah, so for segment trees, I don't know when I'll do it, but it feels like I have to do it, you know. Wait, Pixel Pusher, do you know segment trees, man? Or is that something that you also have to study? Yeah? Oh, snap. That's why you're a guardian and I'm not, right? This guy knows segment trees. Jeez. But I haven't done lazy propagation. There's some layers to them. Yeah, I don't even know what that means for segment trees. Brett gave me a Fenwick tree lesson, and those Fenwick trees are insane, and I did some basic problems with them, and it was alright, but I haven't done that in almost a year, so kinda don't remember anything about it. Segment is simpler than Fenwick. Yeah, that's what people are saying. And then the segment trees are like also more powerful than Fenwick trees, but I don't know if that's true or for sure. But what's the difference between Fenwick tree, tree, and lazy segment tree? Yeah, I've never heard of a lazy segment tree, so I don't know. But it looks like I gotta learn those things to get Guardian for sure. Alright, daily problem. Number of substrings containing all 3 characters. Given a string S consisting of only characters A, B, and C, return the number of substrings containing at least one occurrence of all these characters. Alright. I can do this. Is this just sliding window or what? So let me see here. No, wait, it might not be sliding window. Let me think about it a little bit and go through this example. So we got A, B, C, that's 1. Then 2. Wait. Well, Man, once I find one thing, that means everything after it will also be a substring. What's the constraints? What is that, man? 50,000? So A, B, C, and then everything else is gonna be good. So this is like 1, 2, 3, 4. And then and now B, C, A. And it's like so BCA, everything before and everything after would be a valid substring. So this would be like 2, yeah. Like 1, 2, 3. Alright, alright. I should be able to do this problem, man, but I'm not sure yet. Do I need to A, B, C? Do I need to remember the positions? Ray the Kid, how are you doing, man? Welcome to the party. Yeah, I do these LeetCode dailies before I get into the web dev. But you know, before I started doing web dev stuff, I was doing LeetCode like every single time. I've done tons of LeetCode, man. So I'm just trying to maintain my skills at this point. How you doing, Ray the Kid? I bought a new keyboard, man. Bought a new keyboard. I got should be here sometime this week. I got this one. Actually sparked my interest. I was watching some cats on YouTube doing this. Dang. No, it's people do it because all the big tech companies ask LeetCode questions for their interviews. So if you become good at LeetCode, you basically get like $250,000 salary. Or not salary, pay. An Ergo, yeah. I already have a few Alice keyboards, but I think I don't have a premium Alice keyboard, and that one looks pretty nice to me. Dang, is it tinted up? Does G-Tech ask LeetCode? What is G-Tech? G-Tech. Folks Flickr, what's happened? Alright, how the hell are we gonna do this, man? Next build stream when? Yeah, who knows? I don't do many build streams, man. That one stream was very special because somebody redeemed it with a million channel points. You know, that doesn't happen very often. Does Google Tech ask? What do you mean Google Tech? Do you mean like, does Google ask LeetCode in their interview, their technical interview? If that's what you're asking, then the answer is yes. For software engineering positions, 100% sure they ask tons of LeetCode. Man, is this problem hard or am I tripping? So we need. All right, let me try and sign some things out here. So here's a string they give us. This answer should be 10. No, for G roll. Yeah, I don't know what G-Tech asks, or even what G-Tech is, you know. All right, let me put indices here, and how am I gonna solve this, man? Google Technical Services, yeah. I still don't really know. What is that, man? Is that like tech support? If it's tech support at Google, I don't think they'll ask LeetCode. I can't imagine they will. Or if it's like something else, maybe. I have no idea, man. If it's a software engineering position, they're gonna ask LeetCode. If it's not software engineering, I'm not sure. Oh, Simon Lally from YouTube. What's happening? How am I doing tonight? I'm doing alright, man. I'm doing alright. I'm trying to figure out this problem. So ABC. So maybe, okay. Here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking maybe I have to I'm thinking of remembering each position of A's, B's, and C's. Position is Partner Solutions Engineer. Yeah, I mean, that sounds like you're gonna get LeetCode, man, if you're an engineer. So, do you have the interview coming up soon? I think your recruiter should be able to tell you what to expect in the interview. Three phases. Wait, what are the three phases? Solutions engineers like corporate slang for salesperson. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Man, a lot of people got this problem. What could it be? Is it like we gotta find the minimum positions, maximum positions, earliest positions, latest positions of each character, and then now we'll get. All right, so if we did that, ABC would be 3, 4, 5, and then we get all of these. All right, for every A, I'm looking for, to the right, the earliest B's and C's. So I'm taking like the max of the earliest. So I'll get these two. And then I know everything else is good. And here's another A. Wait, so this A will contribute 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I find another A here, and then now to the left side I'll take, I guess, the minimum positions. So B, C, A. So that's 1, and then I have one more here, so that's 2. So I add 2 there. But then I also have A, B, C. No, this ain't right. Whatever I'm doing, missing some. Oh man, how the heck do you do this? All right, let me try and think of some other stuff here. ABC, at least one occurrence. So initially my mind went to sliding window, but what do? You just keep growing the window until you get ABC? And then, all right, let me try this. So I keep growing the window until I get ABC. Now I'm at ABC. And then I take the rest of however much. So if this is at index 2, then I know it's 5 minus 2 plus 1. So that's like 4 subarrays, because we can get ABC, we can get ABCA, ABCA, B, ABC, ABC, and that's 4, right? And once you have those, then you shrink the window, and then you grow it again, and then now I got ABC, and I want to take this part, so this is going to be 1, this is going to be 2, and I also got this part, which is going to be 3. So do I multiply them together? Do I add them together? I'm not sure yet. Steven Saggy Ball, how are you doing, man? Phil A, how are you doing? Isn't the window size minimum 3? Yeah, it is minimum 3 because you need 3 characters. But either way, it could be larger than that. Hold on, what was I thinking, man? ABC, and you shrink it. And now we're here, and then we grow it again. But do I count this stuff before? Because I think I've already counted that substring here. So maybe I only count these things. So that would be plus 3, so that's 7. And then now I shrink my window again, and then I grow it, and I got, yeah, so I think this is how we do it. CAB contains all, and then we have that excess at the end. And that's 2. And then we shrink it, and then we grow it, and then we get ABC at the end, and that's 10. So I'm pretty sure that's how we can do it, man. Just solve it, not the best code. I wasn't sure why you were shrinking the window to size 2 and not 3. Well, I'm growing it until I hit all 3 characters, and once I get all 3 characters, then I'm going to do this formula where n minus r plus 1 or something, right? Because everything after that right pointer, anything you add onto it, it will still be a valid substring since it already has all 3 characters. So you can add any amount of A, B's, or C's to it, and it will have all 3. All right, let me try and implement this now. Here we go, man. My sliding window is weak, but we'll see how it goes. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to... Wait, how do I even know? Should I be lazy? Or should I just use like this thing of size 3? So this is gonna be like my frequency map. So what I'm trying to do here, man, it's been a long time since I coded any sliding windows. I'm gonna be like, we process the right character. So here are my L and my R's. I grow the right, so it's like Let me think. So while, should I make like a little thing here, a little function that's just gonna check true or false. Basically, it just checks that everything is at least 1. So I'm gonna check while this is good, I want to shrink it. Wait, let me think. Let me think. Oh man. I think I'm running into some mental problems here. Let me check out example 2 real quick. So I'm having a difficulties thinking of like how do I grow and shrink my window correctly. That's what I'm looking at right now. So in this case, I'm like growing my window. So I got, let me do my counts here. So I got A, B, and C. Yeah. So here we got 1A, and then we don't want to shrink anything, so this is still not good. Then I process that A, still not good. Process that A, still not good. Process this C, still not good. And like process the B, and now it's good. But oh, man, the answer is 3. Let me think. Let me think. But if I just did this at the end, I'd only get 1 there. But I guess during the shrink, 1. This would also pick up some. So I'm not fully clear how I'm going to code this up, but I think I'm on the right path. It's going to get ugly. Celeste TV, how you doing? What's up, fellas? I tried LeetCode out for myself. I was actually able to solve some JavaScript problems using my game maker knowledge. Very, very cool. Yeah, I think, well, I don't know what game maker is, but I think if you're like if you program before, you should be able to solve at least some easies. I don't know about medium problems if you don't have any algorithms knowledge, but I think easy problems are accessible for anybody who knows how to program. Jiwandi, what's happening, man? Welcome to the party. Alright, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do for this problem. So if it's growing it. If it's good, then I want to add some things, but I don't know how to get, how do I get this, man? The prefix. This problem is giving me a tough time. So I know A, B, C, guess once it's good, and I can just I guess we can count them in here. Alright, I'm gonna try something out. So if it's good, then I want to run this formula where I add all the things to the right. And then while it's good, I'm gonna add like more, you know. I don't know if that makes sense, but let me see if it works. So if it's good, I want, wait, so right. My right pointer will be here when all of this is processed and good. So it's really gonna be 5 minus R minus 2 because there's 4. So n minus R minus 2. I don't know if that's good, but we'll see. And then while it's good, I'm shrinking the window here. So like in this case, all of this will be good. This right points will be out of range. And then when I'm shrinking it, I'm like 1, 2, 3. So that's gonna count one more than I need. Let me think about that. So that's 1. And I'll just add this feels super bootleg, but it might work. Wait, I forget to do something here. All right, let me see about that, man. Quantum Bear Labs from YouTube, what's happening? Are you just coding in C++ only, or do you work with many different programming languages? At work, I am 95% C++, but I do maybe a little bit of Java, a little bit of Go, and a tiny bit of Python. Maybe like 4% Java, 1% Go, and like a fraction of a percent in Python, or something like that. And then on the side, for my side projects, I've been doing JavaScript and TypeScript, but I'm not very good at TypeScript. All right, let me see if this is gonna work. Uh-oh. DeLorean is back. How are you doing? Some high quality camera, thank you. I think Canada is doomed. Oh lordy, I think I'm doomed, man. Oh man. So I'm guessing like way too many. I get a camera. The camera here is a Sony ZV-E1. The camera you're looking at. Alright, let me think. Quantum Bear Labs from YouTube says, okay, that's dope. I see, that's awesome. I'm a computer science student, and this is exactly what I need to be watching online on YouTube. Yeah. So I don't do too much LeetCode these days. I used to do a whole lot more LeetCode, but I've shifted gears. I think I'm just doing way too much LeetCode for no reason. But I try and do the LeetCode dailies when I stream, and then I do web dev after. You're rich, man. I guess I'm not broke, but I'm not rich. I ain't rich, but I like to spend a little money sometimes, you know? I'm broke, dang. I used to be broke. I was broke for a long time, man, and then I just like used all my broke energy to learn LeetCode. I used my brokenness as a motivator for me to learn all this boring ass algorithms, you know? And then, man, I grinded real hard for about 5 months straight. I did LeetCode every single day. I streamed the whole thing. I was doing 6 hour stream or 2 3 hour streams a day, just grinding LeetCode. And at the end of that 5 month boot camp, I wasn't broke anymore, man, because I got a dang job. I got a L3 job at Google, and man, that changed my whole life. I was like negative $50,000 net worth while I was grinding, because I'm really not great with money. And now, well, let's see. When I got the job, they gave me $20,000 sign-on bonus, which is not terrible. I've heard of people getting way more than that, but for an L3, I think that's all right. And then I think I got 230,000 total compensation for my first year, and man, I'm not negative 50K net worth anymore. You ain't rich, don't quit your job, man. I'm not trying to quit my job yet, but one day I hope. I didn't know you worked at Google. Yeah, I've been at Google for about 3.5 years now, and all because I grinded LeetCode. I had no other indicators on my resume. Actually, they didn't even care about my resume, man. They only cared about my algorithms. I'm not from a target school. I never worked at any real company with like even 100 people or more. All the companies I worked at had like 10 people. And I got an interview with Google because I competed in Kickstart, which is a competitive programming contest. I also did really bad on that contest, but it doesn't matter because a recruiter reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to interview. And I said yes, and then I just grinded LeetCode, man. I quit everything in my life. When my recruiter reached out to me, I stopped everything and I focused only on LeetCode for several months. Yeah, welcome to the party, Quantum Bear. Hope to see you around more often. Talking about grinding hard pays off. Yeah, grinding hard pays off for sure. 3.5. Yeah, I've been here since December 2021, something like that. All right. What's happening, Icy Black Deep? How are you doing? Dang, I don't know how to solve this problem, man. What? I'm like double counting stuff. Oh. I'm doing it here, maybe. Still not correct. Maybe I'm adding like too many here. I'm just gonna maybe have a off by one, or maybe it's just completely wrong everything. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing wrong, man. How long from the recruiter contact you to LeetCode interview? Recruiter contacted me in like August, early August, and I asked for 5 weeks for my phone screen. So then I took my phone screen like the first week in September, and I took that on like say a Thursday or a Friday, and by the Monday they said I had passed the phone screen, and I asked for another 5 weeks to prepare for the on-site. And yeah, so from the recruiter contacted me until my on-site, roughly 10 or 11 weeks. So 2 or 3 months. And then before the recruiter contacted me, I was grinding for about 2 months. But then I still can't do this dang problem, man. So, and then I have it as, let me see. Well, it's just in my sliding window thing. So I can ask for time to prepare. Maybe. I think things were a lot different back then. I would have forgotten about the interview after 5 weeks. What? The grind must be crazy back then. I missed the prime LeetCode era. How did recruiter find you? Recruiter found me through Google Kickstart. I can show you. Round, not, I think it was round D. Final exam. Anyways, I don't know where it's at anymore. Google Kickstart doesn't even show up anymore. It doesn't exist. They turn it down, unfortunately. So that's how I got in. I had never applied. I don't think my resume would have been good enough anyways. Alright, man. Should I just give up? I can't give up so easily. I must have solved this problem once. So I'm trying to grow. Alright, all my answers are slightly too high. Once they found Simon, they didn't need Kickstart anymore. No, that's not true, man. They need it. A, B, C. Alright, let me do some debugging. Because I would like to do my web dev today, man. I think I got a good idea of what I want to do for web dev right now. I think it might go smoothly, but we'll see. Alright, so I'm growing. Oh, look at that. One. This ain't right. This number isn't right. This should be 4. This is saying it found here. It's adding 4. Oh yeah, that is right. No. 5 is wrong. It should be 4 because 1, 2, 3, 4. But my R. Yeah, so maybe it's just -1, man. I don't know where I got that formula from. What keyboard switches do you have? They sound great. Thank you. I got a Bubble 75. With Aqua Kings. I might not be using this keyboard much longer, man, because I just built Q's keyboard. Jesus Christ, it's wrong. I just built Q Ultimus's keyboard, and I think I really like that one I built. And I want to build something new for myself. Alright, so let me see, what the hell am I doing here? I get A 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. And then I shrink. And I'm growing. Eight, 9. Then 10, 11. 10 and 11. CB. Buy your old keyboard if you don't want to use it. Nah, man, I'm not selling my old keyboards. Man, can't believe this problem is slaying me up. All right, let me debug a little bit more. So I'm saying 9, but the answer is 11. All right, this is what my algorithm is doing. So I grow A, C, B, and now we have all 3. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This adds 5 substrings, right? And then I shrink it. Now it's at this. And then now I grow, grow, grow. So this is our substring. And then we got 2 here. So we're up to 7. Right? But then we shrink it. And it's like 1, 2. And then that's where I stop. When I actually shrink it 1 more. So where the hell are the other things that I'm not catching, man? Because I see how I get 9, but where is the 11 here? Wait. BB CAC. But I counted that one. Oh wait, maybe I didn't finish. Wait, hold on. My bad. Alright, so this one, I added the 2 there. And then now I'm shrinking it. 1, 2, 3. Wait, I don't know where I messed up, man. Waiting for a decent wireless, low profile, 75 HE with analog mode. Dang, that sounds crazy. I don't know. Wait, BB. Oh snap! Don't defense is in the house trying to do a little type racer. Oh man. Hold on, man. Alright, let's do the type racer and then I'll think about this problem. I might even just take the L. Cause I don't want this to be a LeetCode stream, man. I want this to be a dang web dev stream. Can we gamble? Yeah, I guess so. What should it be? Who's here? Pixel pusher, don't defense. What should the what should the bet be? Will I get 100 WPMs? That's the bet. 2 minutes to decide. Here we go, man. First race is a warm-up. Second race is the championship round. Let me see if I got type racer cam activated. Alright, type racer cam. Here we go. Oh, Simon Lally is in the house. This is just the warm-up. Oh, triple digits in the warm-up. Pixel pusher with the 151 in the warm-up. Don't defense. What's happening? 89. Simon Lally 85. That's crazy. Clistar 82. Come on now. And guess. Oh, from Denmark. Welcome to the party, Denmark. MacBook keyboard actually unusable. Dang. What's your normal keyboard, Simon Lally? Alright. This is the championship round. Championship mode activated. Here we go. Is the bet still going on? Where's my bet? Nah, it's... Dang, let me take a look. Dang, nobody thinks I'm gonna get triple digits. I'm trying to make y'all lose your money right now. Alright. Oh lordy. Championship round. I see weird punctuation here. Jesus Christ, I messed up the triple digits at the end. 98. Pixel Pusher 165. Simon Lally 124 on the MacBook keyboard. And Don't Defense 111. Ninja Master 91. Very nice. Clistar 74. And Guest and Guest. At least I won the bet? Yeah. Dang, I was trying to make everybody lose, man. So would I get over 100? Nah, barely missed it. You guys are fast, yeah. One of these guys is fast. The rest of us are like normal speed. Bet Simp is in the house. What's happening? And Rhett Trom, how you doing? So, all right, let me add to the Type Racer leaderboards. I don't even know why I go there because this is the thing. We got Pixel Pusher at 165. Alright, dang, that is a 63rd win for Pixel Pusher. Pixel Pusher, your girlfriend ever ask you to move hands slower? What the heck are you talking about, Bet Simp? It's not the hands, man. Pixel Pusher got the fast fingers. Come on now. I don't know what you doing out there, Bet Simp. With their whole hand. Jeez. Anyways, anyone gotten 200 before? Yeah. Pixel Pusher has gotten 206. Shaolin 18? Man, I don't even know what that means. But that must be some ancient Chinese secrets. Enrosis 1, man, Enrosis is a fast typer. What are you talking about? Really? Look at that, Enrosis 127. 124s, 120s. Easy work for Enrosis, man. There's a lot of fast typers, but Pixel Pusher is by far the fastest I've ever seen. And Zapak used to be the old Pixel Pusher. Like, Zapak is a top 200 type racer person. And I've never seen speeds that like this until Zapak came about, and then Pixel Pusher came about, and then Zapak is like history. I don't think my 75 will ever take the title, man. You'd be surprised. Oh, Don't Defense. I think I should add your type racer from the other day that was really slow. But I forget what your WPMs were, but I will add it, man, if I remember. And that will be, but you are already winning in front of Q Ultimus. Anyways, back to this dang problem. Like, I don't even know how to do this problem, man. I'm trying with the sliding window, but either I'm not counting some things, or it's like my thinking is just wrong in general. So you're saying what are you saying, man? Which ones did I not catch here? I didn't catch this one and this one. I see. Today and yesterday's problems. It's giving me a lot of problems. But I think I see where I'm going wrong. I don't know how to fix it yet though. Because I'm growing and then I stop and I grow here. Oh, I think I know what I gotta do, man. Oh shit. Come on, man. Is YouTube up? Or what? Am I live on YouTube? Oh, I'm still live on YouTube, so Twitch is tripping. Anyways. Yeah, my Twitch ain't connecting again. I think I'm still disconnected. What happened on Twitch? I don't know, man. The Twitch servers are junk. That's what happens. Every time I'm disconnecting these days, I don't know what's going on over there. Says it could not access my stream. Did I get banned? Who knows? Just disconnected me just like that, man. So I don't know what to do. Maybe ever try getting a better Twitch? Yeah. Like, what the hell is going on? Look at this thing. Reconnecting, but it won't reconnect. Just, yeah, all right. Hold on. I think I gotta end stream even on YouTube for 1 second and then I'll restart the stream. Let me see if that helps. Let me restart OBS. Alright, I'm back. Alright, I had to restart OBS, man. You know what? I had just updated OBS. I wonder if they introduced a dang bug. Anyways, so while I was thinking, well, while the stream was down, I was thinking about the problem, and I think I see what I gotta do, man. Wait, am I hearing myself? I got my stream on in the background. Coding Garden Fan, how you doing? Alright. So I think I found my bug. I think I gotta multiply this number and the other number. And then I gotta do something. So I want this to be just right times left. This is what I'm thinking, man. Hopefully this works. Might be off by 1. Come on. shit, my bad. Alright, after this is web dev time, man. And I'll tell you what we're gonna do for the web dev portion real soon. Jesus Christ, man. This problem was tough for me. But I guess I figured it out. You gotta multiply the excessive left and the rights together to see how many you can add. Because I got how many good from to the right. Wait, that's wild? Bobby Blue, what's wild? Wait, let me see. You shared your answer earlier. Can you share it again? Multiply? Wait, what do you mean multiply is wild? You didn't multiply? I thought this was like the only way you can do it, man. I didn't multiply it either. Dang, what the hell? Maybe I don't know what I'm doing. Let me see what you did, Bobby Blue. Yo, I don't even know what this is. Okay. Okay. I see. So then how come you don't have to multiply? How come, like... This is like shrinking the window. Oh, I see. I think I see. So you're like, as soon as you see a good window, you start shrinking it. And then you add like how much you shrank each time. But then wait, how would that, I don't understand how this works fully. So how do you get the stuff on the right side, man? Anyways, minimum window that has at least one of each character, so you have all the degrees of freedom from the left. Found the second submission easier to understand. Wait, which one was that? Is that your first submission? Isn't this the same thing? Oh, hair. Wait, plus equal to that. Interesting. So maybe, all right, I think this is what I was doing, but I'd implemented it wrong because of this. This is basically multiplying though. This is what I did. So I can, yeah, I could say, if I were to do it like this, I would be like, I'd have to just add this every time for a left good. But it would be the same thing as multiplying, right? Let me prove that. Then we don't need this. And we don't need that. Yeah. So I see how it works, man. So this, and so your first and second submissions are basically the same. You're just taking it from the left side or the right side, you know. And then what I was doing was something a little bit different, but more or less the same. So instead of like adding to the answer the end every time, I was just counting how many goods on the left, how many goods on the right, and then I multiply them at the end. Anyways, I think it's time to move on, man. It's time to hit that web dev. No more of that LeetCode junk. Oh man, where do I begin? I didn't even change my thing back to this. Alright, so the last time I was working on, well, first, yeah, I'm working on this site, midnightsimon.com, and I'm adding, what am I adding? I'm trying to add, like, so I have user registration, which I'm not sure if it works correctly, but I think it works. And I'm trying to add like a public profile page. So this is my profile page, but I want to have something where you can visit somebody's public profile and it will show you all of their LeetCode stats and their type racer stats. And the LeetCode stats will be coming from like just these stats here, and you have to like add your LeetCode username for it to pick up. So basically all I'm doing is working on having this public profile available, but I couldn't do it the last stream because of the way my data is placed in like the Supabase stuff. So I have to do some things on Supabase where like, so like my username, it's only stored in a very special table in Supabase. It's like the authentication table, and I need to like copy some of that data to another table for like profile information. I don't even know how to do all that, man. But I think it's like you just add a database trigger. All right, let me ask ChatGPT to do it. Write me a Supabase table trigger function that will add. You need one in the public schema that links to the auth. Aaron, that is exactly what I'm trying to do. Wait, that will add the user's username to a public table called profiles. Let me see if they can do that, man. Maybe something like this. You know, I think Supabase gives me some snippets or like quick starts or whatever. I think, yeah. I wish I had found this earlier, because I found this yesterday when I was looking at stuff, but this is like a quick start thing. So I already have this profiles table. Where is it, man? In the public schema, profiles right here. I'm not gonna click it, but what I want is, I want that full name thing. So, alright, I'm not gonna update any of these row policies. This trigger automatically creates a profile entry when a new user signs up via Supabase auth. Yeah, this is what I really need. I already have this table created, so I'm gonna just delete that. What I really want is just this trigger function. But I don't have an avatar URL. So maybe I can add that real quick. Alright, let me look. I don't want to like dox any of this information in these tables, so I have to be careful what I open up on stream in the Supabase thing. Alright, the public profiles is alright. Nothing too crazy on there. I'm gonna bring it back. So what I want to add a new column, the avatar URL or whatever. I don't think I'll use this for now, but I'll just save it there for the time being. Does that work? Choose type. Is this like text? All right. Let's see what the hell this does. Set up storage. No, I don't care about this avatar stuff. So basically I just want this trigger function, man. So do I just run this? Oh, wait. Actually, I don't have this full name thing in there either, so I gotta add that. Wait, it's called username. Should I just have it full name? All right, now let me see. Full name, avatar URL. That's it. That's all. Yeah, and then just run it. Success. All right, now I want to like I guess I have to create a little script that's going to go in. Can I just run this from write me a script that will take all the full names, so I have to do this because all the old data in there doesn't have the full name, so I want to do it for like all the people who've already signed up. Should I trust this? Let me read it. Select user ID and full name from auth users. Yes. Update where this looks good. I'm gonna should I just take the whole thing? LGTM, man. I hope I don't mess up all of my data. Alright, how do I do this? Do I just clear this out and paste this in here and run it? Can I run it like in dry run mode just to see, you know, so I don't mess anything up? Or should I just YOLO it, man? I want to YOLO. All right. Okay. I know what they want. They want raw something right here. Should I do? I don't really know SQL like that. Updated profiles. All right, let's see. User ID doesn't exist. Profiles table. UUID, that's what it's called. So line 16. Updated profiles. No. Profiles dot UUID. Right? Alright, let me just run that, see what's up. Oh. Alright, one more time. Alright, we don't need this part, man. Who cares about that? Alright, success. You think it worked, man? I don't know. Alright, I think it kind of worked. But we got other problems, man. Because why are some of them null? I guess those are the people that did not sign up with Twitch and they signed up with something else. I'll figure that out after, I guess. Maybe no. Maybe I'll just work with what I got here. This should be unique. Man, should I change this to username? Wait, let me look at some dates on the other screen. What am I looking for? I'm looking for display name. Display name. Man, where's that junk? It's in the auth users. There's like user metadata or something. I'm trying to look for that, you know? Oh, raw user metadata. Let me see real quick. So I got raw user metadata. Yes. Or display name. Man, maybe display name is better here than no, it's either display name or full name. So how can I say use either or, man? Or should I just have both of them? Full name and display name. Let me see. Conditional set. If not null, else set something else. How do you do that? Future highway, what's happening? What are you talking about, man? So I can just type this. If not null, run that. Oh no. Oh, that's what you're talking about? Whatever this is, future highway. Gives you the first non-null option. Oh, snap. So then, interesting. So I can be like, set full name. Does it just work? Condition equal true. How do I give it a condition? Not needed. Oh, so I just put that just like that. Should I just run it and see what's up? Uh-oh. Come on. All right, let's see if that worked. And then we can get to coding, man. Oh, look at that. Now I'm thinking I should probably update this to display name or something. All right, I think we're ready to. Oh, wait. No, Jesus Christ. I actually have to edit. Man, can I Control Z this thing? Can I see all old iterations? Oh yeah, I want this public function thing, man, because it might not be right. So I guess I'll do it again. Alright, so this is handle new user. So I want, like, how can I test this stuff, man? I want to update this to, what was that word you use? Coalesce. I wonder if I can do it here. that might be empty. Can I just hit them with create or replace? What do you mean create or replace? I'm erasing all of this stuff. I only want the trigger function. If you no, this is a trigger, so it only triggers when somebody new registers. So this is like the trigger function, and then I just manually updated all the old stuff, you know. So there should not be an entry for this already, you know. But I'll send it now. Already exists. How can I? All right. How can I? Oh, that's what you're saying. Create or replace. I thought you meant Future Highway. You're onto something, man. Wait, let me see. Wait, what? Maybe I misunderstood what you're saying. How? All right. Create or wait. Change the beginning. Oh, I don't need this part. I just hit them with the create or replace right here. All right, thank you very much. All right, let's move on to some real stuff, man, because this ain't real stuff. The real stuff is trying to like actually add that public profile. So I have this thing here. So yeah, I was having difficulties trying to find the correct username because the username wasn't anywhere, you know. So now well, I guess I should run my website, huh? Oh lordy. Man, did I tell y'all I bought a new MacBook Air? It should be, I bought the M4. Should be coming here on Wednesday, man. MacBooks are top, what do you mean? Best? Do I need anything else besides those two? No, I think that's it. Oh, so that took a while to set up that dang trigger function. Gotta wait for this thing to build. Ice and Black Deep, what are you talking about? I'm rich? Nah. MacBook Air is only $9.99. Well, $8.99 if you know what's up. Toast of Problems. What's happened? Thank you. Thank you. Look at that. MacBook Air 13-inch M4 available starting Wednesday. That's in 2 days. I've already pre-ordered mine. All this junk. You already know. I got the midnight MacBook M4 Air. Easy work. And people are saying that this one performs almost as good as the MacBook Pro, the base model. Probably always get the guac at Chipotle, man. I do not get the guac at Chipotle. I don't even go to Chipotle, man. It's too baller. It's been a long time since I've been to Chipotle. Alright. Alright, so the website's up here, and what am I trying to do again? I'm trying to add. Alright, let me log in. Well, it's not. Dang, I guess it's not gonna work because I have to change. Oh, I don't want to change it and then I forget to change it back. Somebody gonna have to remind me, man. Or I'm gonna have to, like. Yeah. It'll be alright. I'll remember. Maybe. Alright, let me try this again. I really should be using some environment variables, but I don't know how to do that, man. I tried, and it was giving me trouble. Alright, here we go, here we go. Alright, so I want this dang thing to not 404. Wait, why is it even 404ing? Oh, because maybe error not found. Oh, snap. I see, I see. So I gotta... Alright, we gotta edit this. So now this is the username that's coming in. This is the display name that we just spent some time trying to get. And now... what was this called? Display name. Alright, let's see if that works. Alright, it's not 404ing anymore. So that's nice. Let me try somebody else. Wait, who's the username on the website? I don't even know. Do I have to look in the tables? Let's try Future Highway, man. Let me see if that works. Oh, look at that. Alright. And then it shows the LeetCode profile there. Alright, what I also want to show is like easy, mediums, hards. So let me try and add that real quick. But also I need to get that from a LeetCode table. LeetCode profile. Oh man, I should probably, dang. So I only got LeetCode username. Oh, but at least I got the UUID thing. I can link it like that, I suppose. But I don't know how to do all that stuff. So I'm gonna have to Supabase, look at some examples. What do I look for, man? Supabase, query table, and join with another table. Give me some examples, man. Oh, it's like this. Automated. Easy work, man. So I wanna instruments. Wait. Select. Man, this query looks a little bit weird compared to this stuff here. Dot select. Oh, I see, I see. Man. So instead of selecting all, I should probably be like, man, this looks ugly. Alright, let me look in the profiles to see what I actually need, man. So I want UUID. Jesus. I want LeetCode profile. Oh wait, I already got LeetCode profile. I don't need UUID then. Right? No, yeah, I do. What I want all this stuff too. Country. Display name. And then in the LeetCode profile, ID and easy, medium, hard, solve, rating, contest attended. Need all of this. Easy, mid solve, hard solve. Contests. All right, that should be probably okay. Let me see if that query works. It does not work because man, there's no relationship, it says. So I gotta make a link with that. King Globby from YouTube, what's happening? Yo, can you check out some stuff a guy local to me made? What does that mean? What kind of stuff? Sounds a little sketch, man. Talking about like LSD or something, or what? Oh, he's a rapper. Oh. He's not making drugs in his basement. He's making beats. He's making hot fire. I don't know. I think he's good, but I don't listen to much underground stuff, so I don't know if my opinion's wrong. I mean, if you think he's good to you then, right? Why do you need... That's all that matters, really. Alright, let me try and create that link real quick. So Can I do that? Alright, I just created that foreign key. Let me see now. Oh lordy. So it doesn't work, man. But I just, maybe it needs time to propagate, you know? I'll give it a little bit of time to figure that out. Uh-oh. Think you did from profile to profile? Oh no. Did I? Yo, what the heck happened, man? Did I do that, man? No, I went from LeetCode profile to other profile. That looks alright to me. So that should pick up there. But I don't know why this is tripping now. Racer data. Wait, let me restart everything and see what's up. Man, I can't wait to get everything kind of working on this website so I can move on, you know. All right, here we go. Okay, well, oh, maybe it's like right here where it thinks, yes, maybe I should change this so that the table isn't the same name as the column name. Because I think, can I just put like, can I do that? Or is that trippy? I don't know if that works, man. Definitely doesn't work. Alright, so this is my type racer data. Alright, so I guess I can't do that, man. Alright, you know what? Maybe I should take this out and then I'll just put this here. Like that, the username, and then maybe I can access that by LeetCode profile.LeetCode username, if it even exists. How do I say? I don't even know how to say that, man. Do I put the question mark like that? We'll see. We'll see what it does. Alright, looks like it's kind of working. Okay, it's a little bit sketch, but I think it'll be alright. Man, Jesus. Where's Cursor? I had Cursor installed, but I think my free trial ran out. So now I have to go back to VS Code, man. I could have just told Cursor to do the damn thing. Can I get like an extension for Wait, should I install Cursor real quick again? Or should I pay for Cursor? Hold up. Let me think about that. I might do it. What do they call it? Using AI, vibe coding. Am I just a vibe coder, man? That's all I've become, man. A nitrogen. What's happened? Had a sign up page which had a separate JS file. Wait, what? Separate JS file where one of the functions was to redirect to another page that doesn't exist anymore, as I did that weeks ago and forgot. I started doing backend in Java today and did the redirect there because I forgot about the one in JavaScript file and was confused for 3 hours now while I was getting a 404 error even though the page was clearly there. I don't know what you just said, but it sounds like it was a silly problem, man, and you figured it out. It happens, man. I spend so many hours stuck on some silly problems, like, all the time. Alright, I'm installing Cursor, and I'm gonna switch over to Cursor, and I'm just gonna tell it, tell the AI to just code up this junk and see how it goes, you know. Is it gonna work? Maybe. All right. Oh, my free trial has ended for Cursor. Should I upgrade to Pro? What do y'all think? I think for sure I should upgrade to Pro, right? Depends on how much it is. How much is it? Free 2-week trial. Wait. Man, I just want the free version, man. How come they ain't giving me free? So, oh, maybe I downloaded Pro, but now I gotta download the free version because slow premium requests a month. I don't know what that means, but I don't think I'll hit 50 requests a month, man, right? I don't know what 2,000 completions means either. Anyways, I'm gonna try and get away with not spending $20 a month, man. I don't think I can though. Zandrum or Zandorum, what's happening? There's a free version of GitHub Copilot that's free these days. Not sure what the limitations are. I hear that GitHub AI is fire. Is that true? I have no idea. You look like a mix of Dave Grohl and John Romero. Thank you very much. Yes. I guess I look like all the long hair people out there. I don't think I look like any of them, man. But people always come on the stream telling me I look like... Alright, let me tell you. Maybe I should have a page on my website dedicated to what people say I look like. They say I look like Argyle from Stranger Things or something like that. Is that his name? this dude. I mean, he has nice hair. I don't think I look like him. Yeah, I've heard. Well, you're the first person to say Dave Grohl, but John Romero is like, I didn't even know who this dude was until people started telling me I look like him. I don't think I look like him either. It's just the hair. Just we got the same hair, you know. And then I've also heard, dang, what's his name, man? It's like a DJ or something. Steve Aoki. I've heard him. I don't even look like this guy, you know. Hair and beard. Like, this ain't me. Nah. Yeah, this ain't me, man. And then I'm pretty sure. What is this? Should I read this book? Anyways, it's an ad. Wait, what do you mean an ad? Have you checked out S and Box? What is that? S and Box. I don't even know what that is. Gary's Mod. Oh man, I've been hearing about this dang game for like 20 years or something. I've never played it. I don't even know what it's about. It's a game engine. Yeah, nah, I'm not into that type of stuff really. I don't play too many games these days, man. I always think I'm still a gamer, but then I try and load up a game and then I lose interest so quickly. The only game that I've been playing lately is Hearthstone, like consistently. I play about one game a day, man, for Hearthstone. And that's because of Brett. Brett got me on that dang game sometime last year, and I still haven't been able to get off. Check out NetHack. Man, I've heard of that game, never tried it though. I don't know if I can get into one of these ASCII art games. I tried to get into Dwarf Fortress for a long time. I just couldn't get into it. Too much to learn, you know. What else? So one game I've been playing lately, Split Fiction, man. This game I've been playing with my girlfriend. It's been pretty fun so far. I think it's like a mix. It's like a bunch of different mini games in one giant game, with like a nice cutscenes and whatnot. You know, played way too much Path of Exile 2 this year. Finally got the hooks out of it. Yeah, I was playing Path of Exile 2 earlier this year, but I've stopped because I wanted to marinate for a little bit more. I don't know. No, I stopped because I kept dying, man. And then I was like, you know, maybe I should take a break and let it marinate for a little bit, you know. Anyways, what are we trying to do? We're trying to get Cursor, and I'm wondering if I should pay the $20 a month or what. But it's like I can't even get the free version, man. It won't let me get the free thing. Maybe I can like. Alright, I'm just gonna pay for it, man. $20, whatever. Let me hide my screen while I do that. Wait, I don't even know how to. How do I even pay for this thing? Where'd I go to pay, man? Help. No, that ain't it. Help. I just let me pay you. I'm gonna close it. Is a pop-up gonna come up? No. It's crazy. So, all right, maybe I can just ask the AI and it will do something. Here we go. Display the stats for all easy, medium, and hard problems solved. Oh, looks good to me, man. LGTM. Let me run everything. All right, let's check it out. Man, it didn't do anything. How's that possible? Oh, I didn't save it. There we go, there we go. Very cool, very cool. Let me also add the rest of the stats, like contest rating, or like rating and all right, that looks good to me too. Oh, easy work. What else do I want, man? I want type racer stats. All right. Display all the type racer stats too. Let's see how that looks. Dang. Is that? How's that work? These are all my type racer wins. Like, look. Oh, you know what? I didn't send it. I only. No, look, it is there. It is there. Let me take out these console logs a little bit, and then let me refresh. All right, here are my stats. So I got. Oh, that's a type racer data. So in here. So I need total wins, not games played. What else we got? Highest WPMs. On average. How you do comments, total wins, highest WPMs. This is average WPM. and highest WPM. I'm gonna erase this stuff and I'm gonna delete this. Uh-oh. I closed it. My bad. All right, so we're making a little progress, man. Look at that. Very cool. Except, all right. Now, clearly we gotta work on this a little bit more. So I don't know how to do that yet. Maybe I'll tell it, make the LeetCode section and the type racer section separated, distinct, and separated. Their own sections. Let me see if this will do anything good. Man, it's just adding a bunch of stuff. So I feel like this is not what we need. Remove the old stuff that was there before. Think it's smart enough to do that, or do I have to open up the chat for that? I don't know. I'll accept. And I'll, oh, look at that, man. That looks alright. For now. Doesn't look alright. It looks acceptable for now. But everything is wrong. So profile data. I don't know what that part is. Let's erase those things. Maybe that will work. Yeah, that does work. And then for the type eraser, I guess I just erase those things too. And then I'm gonna delete. Ooh, I don't know what I can delete, man. Maybe this stuff. Maybe I move. All right. I'll move this junk up here. All right. So we got public profile page somewhat working. What I want to do next is man, how do I do this part? There's a lot of junk I want to do here, man. I guess on the LeetCode leaderboards, I'd like to show a link to their LeetCode profile and also a link to their profile, like their public profile. So let me check out my leaderboard section here. And this is their LeetCode username. Yes. But I want also their regular username. So let me... How's this data getting here, man? I don't know what that means. Oh, I see. I have to go to my leaderboard index, and I think I get all my data here. LeetCode username. Okay, but alright. I also want not only their LeetCode username, but I want their regular username as well. So where do I get that stuff, man? It's from right here. LeetCode profile. Alright, I see what I gotta do. I see what I gotta do, man. What do I gotta do? I gotta move in one of these things. So you hit them with the back tick, like that. And I want all of these things. But I also want their real like display username, you know? And I think I can get that by just saying profiles. Wait, what was the syntax? Profiles, and then I need to match their UUID, and then I want their display name. Let's see if, nah. Username, oh, need a comma. Alright, there we go, there we go. So now we have the dang profiles.display name. So, in my LeetCode leaderboard, I want to do something, man, but I'm not sure what. Alright, this is a link to their LeetCode thing, but I also want like, what was it, profile dot something like that. Oh yeah, that's working. And then this one, instead of their username, I want like a LeetCode icon. This maybe. Alright, where do I put images in here, man? Man, Sylvian something something combo. What's happened? Hi, I'm also new here. How are you? I'm doing alright. I came here because CM Griffin turned out to be a bit of a D-bag. Dang. Well, I'm sorry you had some bad experiences with other streamers. But I'm doing alright. I'm working on my website. My website is midnightsimon.com. Alright, let me first say I am not I'm not a web developer, man. So all this stuff I'm doing is new to me, and so I'm like learning as I go. Got banned from his chat and told me to what? Because I asked him if I should use PHP instead of ASP. Oh man, maybe he thought you're trolling him or something. I don't know. I'm sorry that happened to you. Geld Magier. I can't read, but what's happening? I'm pretty sure I'm saying your name wrong. Yeah, I don't know anything about PHP or ASP, but I know like in the tech communities online on Twitch and wherever, I know a lot of people always make fun of PHP and .NET stuff. So maybe he really just thought you're messing with him, and maybe his tolerance for that is low. I don't know. Oh, I'm not reading my YouTube chat? What do you mean? Oh, my bad. My YouTube chat didn't refresh, man. Sorry. Now I'm seeing it. Thank you. Thank you for saying that. Polka, what's happened? And K-Mat FPS, how you doing? Cursor AI, yeah. Is this vibe coding? And Trevor C, why not SVG? For the icon? Well, do they have an SVG? I don't know. I guess if they have one. Should I use it, or should I just use the PNG, man? I think I'm gonna use their PNG. Did you figure out how to serve your application with Coolify? Shebang 24/7. It's on Coolify right now, man. This is on Coolify. So maybe, you know, alright. I want to finish up this link, this LeetCode profile link or whatever on the local host. And then I will deploy it to the Coolify to show you what's up. But yeah, I did figure it out, and it was something silly as usual, you know. So alright, what was I trying to do? I'm trying to save this icon, but I don't even know in React or Remix where these things are saved. Oh, but I do have something right here. I got this background, so maybe I can just paste this here. I've mostly been unable to decide what my server should run. I've been juggling around different servers like my Compact with Vista and Virtual Machine, and this newer laptop with Server 2003 Windows 10 machine. I have really no idea what server should look like. Man, what are you? You're running some 20-year-old laptop or Windows? Yeah, I don't know anything about that type of stuff, man. ASP, PHP, who knows? Ban. Nah, you gotta do a lot of stuff to get banned here. I'm not too quick to ban people. Maybe I should be, but you know. I like to give people a chance, because I think most people come in and they try and maybe troll a little bit, but I don't think all trolls are bad people. I think some of them, maybe they're just a bit immature sometimes, or maybe they just don't know any better. I'm not saying you're a troll, by the way. I'm just saying in general. But if people are just absolutely disrespectful, I'll ban them, you know. I'm a troll. Well, you're a good troll because you told me to pay attention to my YouTube chat, which I don't know. YouTube, sometimes if I don't refresh it, the thing doesn't update. Like, it doesn't show me my new messages, so I had to like go in there and refresh for it to show the new messages. Maybe I should try and file a ticket at work and tell them to fix that YouTube thing, man. I don't know what's up. Twitch chat never does that. Twitch chat is always bumping. And K Matt FPS, thank you very much for the follow. All right, so let me do this real quick. Man, I'm in the wrong. I'm not even in cursor. I'm in VS Code. Let me go to cursor, man. What are we doing out here? All right, how do I display a dang image? That's what I need to know right now. So the image is gonna be right here. Is it like, try to tell it? Display the LeetCode logo. Uninstall VS Code and only keep cursor. Nah, I'm not ready for all that yet, man. All right, let's see if this works. Oh, look at that, man. Look at the little LeetCode icon right there. So that's all right. And then now let me change this to, how do I link to the profile username? I don't even know, man. /profile/username. That's what we want. And it was in here. So we want this link to be /profile/ this thing. My main issue is finding people to talk to. That's a real problem I have. Yeah, maybe you can try, like, I don't really know any other streamers who do this type of stuff. The only streamers I really interact with are LeetCode streamers, because that's what I mainly do. But maybe there are some Windows people, some PHP people that stream on Twitch. I'm not one of them. But what are you trying to do, man? Try saying something on Super Mario Maker 2 stream in English. They call me Big Mac. Well, I'm starting to think something's going on here. Anyways, Big Mac, because you got combo in your name. Sylvania me more combo. What? Oh, this is, I don't want target blank here. I want regular. Alright, so now on the leaderboards, when you click on somebody's name, it takes you to my page. Man, look at that. How come Pixel Pusher's name doesn't have any type racer stats? That's crazy. Oh, Jesus Christ. Pixel Pusher, that's not your name. I've been typing your name wrong, man. That's not an I in your name. Anyways. Oh, Q Ultimus has the type racer stats because Q's name on Twitch is the same that he signed up with here. Who else? Anyways, I think this is working somewhat. So should I deploy this real quick? And I can show y'all how I deploy it to my server. So my server is, my website is here, midnightsimon.com. And then the change that I just did is not there. So like this is gonna take you to their LeetCode profile page. And then my public profile doesn't work. But I can push this and see what's up. So let me try that. But first I gotta change, I changed something. with my callback URLs, and I need to change that back before I deploy. So, alright, maybe I should deploy from VS Code. So here we go. What I need to do first is, I need to run Docker. Claude 3.5 and 3.7 are crazy. It just coded me a whole simulation engine for pictures in my baseball sim game. Now I gotta review the 600 lines of code. Dang. Yeah, it's been pretty good for me. At least doing like front end stuff and telling it to fix basic things. I think it does a really good job, man. The username is a brand of my television and the brand of my video cassette recorder. Interesting. Is Claude a better coder than you? I would say for sure in some areas it knows a lot more than I do, and in other areas maybe I'm a better coder. I think I'm able to process more complicated requests than Claude, but I think Claude is better than me in a lot of things, you know. Alright, what am I trying to do? I'm trying to rebuild my images, so I guess really only this one. How do I rebuild? Do I have to like always run my thing? Let me go to my scripts. Here we go. Oops. Have you seen Claude play Pokemon? I have not. I don't watch Claude play Pokemon, man. I know people been streaming that type of stuff on Twitch, but I never watch anything on Twitch except for other LeetCode streamers, really. I'm not tuned into anything else. Alright, so I just rebuilt my image, and what am I gonna do now? 5 days ago? What are you talking about, man? Oh, I know what they're talking about. That's this. This is my image, so I need to like push that image. Yeah, is that how we do it? Do you use curse off? Wait, do you curse off stream? I curse a whole lot off stream, man. Alright, at home and amongst my non-professional friends, like my non-coworkers, I curse all the time. I love to curse, but I don't overdo it, you know. But when I'm at work and when I'm amongst my coworkers, even outside of work, I limit my cursing. I'll only say maybe one F-bomb every now and then, like a week, maybe even 2 weeks. I try to save them for when I really want to emphasize something, so I don't like use it out too much, man, and then it kind of loses its meaning. So yeah, I try and keep my language super PG-13, especially on stream, man, because I don't know who's watching. I don't know who's out there watching and taking notes or things like that, you know. There could be kids in here watching Twitch trying to learn how to LeetCode or something. Anyways, I just don't like to curse on stream too much, because it's like I view my stream as, because it's public and everybody at my job knows about it, I don't try and hide it. I feel like it is me coming to work when I go on stream here, so I try and keep my professional character intact. I'm not always fully professional though. What I do for work, I work at Google, software engineer. I've been working there for about almost 3.5 years. Alright, so what are we doing now? We're about to deploy the new app on Coolify. Thought you said you were new to programming. I'm new. I'm not new, but I don't know what I'm doing with web development. At work, I do C++ infrastructure. All right, I'm bringing down my website. And then I'm going to redeploy it. So maybe I said I was new to this whole web dev stuff, really, like Remix and Supabase and whatever else I'm doing. Like, I don't really know much about that. I've never done it super professionally. I've done React Native a bit before, but that's it, a long time ago. Will you make your own web server someday? I didn't have any plans to do that. And I don't think I will have any plans to do that. Alright, this is me. I'm just deploying the new updates to the website. So here we go. Let's see. It sucks because I gotta bring my website down, man. So there must be some way to do this without bringing down the service, you know? Maybe I can just click deploy without pressing stop. All right, here we go. It says it started. Should we see if the new updates landed? Oh, look at that. The new update is there live on midnightsimon.com now. So I feel like we got a little bit of things done today. Are you gonna put the static on every page? What do you mean? You mean this thing right here? No, I don't think so. I think just on the home page is fine. Well, I was thinking maybe to put a little static banner for the page, like topics or whatever, leaderboards would be that. I still need to work on my consistent styling. Every dang thing is different on my website, and I still gotta fix Hector HSC's 100 extra bits that I gave him. Anyways, that's about it. I don't know what else I want to do today. Let me think. What else? I would like to actually start working on my WebSockets, man. I don't want to spend too much time doing any more unnecessary regular stuff. I really want to get WebSockets working, so maybe I'll start thinking about starting a basic WebSocket server, and I want to build it in C++ for no reason other than I just want to build something in C++. And I think maybe a WebSocket server might be good for C++, you know? So everything I'm doing here is super experimental. And what about Rust? I'm not really interested in picking up Rust right now. WebSockets in C++ would be a really fun project to learn networking. Yeah. So like I've never built anything in C++ that wasn't for work. So it's like I have no idea where to even begin, man, because at work we have so much tooling. I don't even know how to compile C++, man. I got to look it up every time. I don't know anything about make files or all of that because we don't even use make files at work. We use like Blaze. It's called Blaze. I think it's something based on Basel or whatever with build files and stuff. So I would like to just learn a little bit about C++ outside of Google, and that's why I choose to use C++ to build this WebSocket server. And for the WebSocket server here, I don't know what I want it to do yet. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I have like, we'll see. Maybe I have something simple that just shows you how many people are online on the website. But eventually I want to do some more advanced things, and I'm working on some other things. One thing, I'm working on other things like off stream, and I don't know if I'll stream these other things I'm working on, but it's all going to be tied together on my website eventually. And maybe even I might break out my website into different websites once I get things actually working, you know. Could you try the -99 trick for the bits? The min is 0. Oh. Man. I have the HTML thing to not do the bits, but I guess, I don't know. I'm just gonna edit the file. I don't know if I want to try to mess up my data. Is there an FFT LeetCode problem? I don't think so, because I think this is like Codeforce's territory here. Alright, so something I'll be working on shortly, especially once I get my new MacBook Air coming in on Wednesday, is I'm going to be working on like a write-up for all of these different topics. I think I originally wanted to try and make YouTube videos, but man, I don't know how good I am at making YouTube videos. It's so difficult for me, man. Like editing and recording YouTube videos, it's a lot of work. I have to do some soul searching to think about what I want out of my YouTube career, man. But I do want to like have like a guide for algorithms, I guess, that I write. You can become rich from it like LeetCode, yeah, but man, LeetCode is so far ahead. And LeetCode grinded, man. I don't know if I got that grind in me right now, especially with a full-time job. I think if I got laid off, maybe I'd like go all in on this stuff for a few months before I went looking for a job again. But it's difficult to find the time to do all this stuff, man. Dang, what the heck? Clistar wants to do Type Racer. Alright, let's do it. The fast people aren't here. Well, the fast people are always here, lurking. And I gotta send the message out to the Discord. Should I? I think I should. Alright, so first race is warm-up round, second race championship round. She didn't want me to alert the fast people, yeah, but I don't want to like win my own Type Racer, man. Anyways, no one's here for Type Racer except me, Clistar, and guest. Here we go. Warm up and then championship. Wait, hold up. Sorry. This is the wrong screen, man. Alright, good thing this is a warm up. Don't defense has arrived. Alright, good thing it was a little warm up and guessed with the 84 first place. One and a stink? Yeah. Well, do it again in the championship round, man. I had to stop typing to switch my type racer cam on. But now we're here. Don't defense is here, super fast typer. Clistar wants to get on the board, but I don't think it's gonna happen right now. Alright, here we go. Dang, it's definitely not happening. I'm not winning this. It's too long, man. Here we go. Man, lost my triple digits in the end. Don't defense with the 113. Long passage, very nice. Guest 91, Clistar 86, pretty good. And guest 81. Sorry, it's so one of the first things I'm gonna build with the WebSockets is I want to build a type racer clone with a C++ backend. We'll see. Can also add my 60 WPM from that sudden death. Was it 60 WPMs, man? I'll add that, but maybe not right now because the date would be incorrect. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go and look what the date was so I can edit that properly. Is it better to leave the errors? I don't think you can leave the errors. You gotta make sure everything is right. Wait, 113, right? Alright, don't defense. 113. That was the 30th championship. Man, is Q here today? I don't think I've seen Q today, man. He must be working hard or something. Alright. What else do I want to do? Man, I kind of want to migrate off of that SQLite thing, but I don't know if I want to put the time in to migrate off of SQLite because it's gonna be annoying to like correlate. I'm thinking of just putting everything in Supabase and then just dealing with that for now. But I don't know. I think I should just leave my website as it is and start working on the C++ WebSockets thing starting next stream. But we'll see. Oh, well, yeah. Maybe I'll do a little bit of research on the C++ WebSockets. Or wait, you know, maybe I should just ask Claude. Can I just tell it to generate something? Make me a C++ WebSocket server that let me see what it will do. Will this work? I don't even know. LGTM, yeah, I don't even, like, I'm so bad at C++, I wouldn't even know how to run this, you know? Should I try? Oh, also cam, yeah. Because looks like I need this package or something. Let me see what the hell this is. WebSocket PP. Should I trust this thing? 7.3 thousand stars. Do you change the environment variables back before deploying? Yeah, I did. Thank you for reminding me. All right. Should I open up this chat? How do I build and run this file or this C++ file? Ah, shit, wrong thing. Man, it's in the wrong chat. Yeah, here we go. How do I build and run this file? Oh, we're overloaded, man. Jesus, is that Claude free? Yeah, looks like I gotta hit them with the pro. Cause I just Norwegian Euler. What's happening? All right, getting started. Examples. Wait, how do I do this, man? Where's the examples at? Oh, to do. I don't know. Tutorial. Oh, what's happening? Avocado Violet, thank you very much for the raid. How are you doing? Is there a website name, right? midnightsimon.com. Yeah, Wait, I just came here to plead for a Honda emote or at least a filet and lobster emote. Yeah, one of these days I will. Avocado Violet, what's going on? Were you leak coding? Were you grinding LeetCode or what? And how was today's session? LeetCoding and listening to Tame Impala. Nice. My man. So a few years ago, I was living in Vietnam, and I was living there with my best friend, and we're working on something together, like a project back in my spamming days. And man, he used to just play Tame Impala 24/7, man. I got so sick of hearing it. Yeah, I'm an M83 fan. I'm a big M83 fan. Well, Tame Impala is alright. Alright, so let's say I just run this. Should I try that? Oh shit. I name that CPP. I don't know what I'm doing, man. Midnight City. Wait, M83 is bumping. I've been listening to a lot of new jobbies lately. Man, I'm a big fan of new jobbies. I'm not gonna lie. I have a few of those new jobby vinyls, man. I think I got like all the Love Six, or not all of them. I got Love Sick Part 3, maybe Part 2 on vinyl. New jobbies. Japanese guy. He died a while ago. But I think he got famous from Samurai Champloo. Samurai Champloo. Yeah. He got famous from this soundtrack. I think he got famous from it, at least. I don't know. There's a lot of cool new jobbies mixes people have been doing lately. Yeah. He like created his own genre of music. I think they call it like new jazz now, and it's just new Javis style stuff. I don't even know, but I really like new Jobbies. New Jobbies and MF Doom. Dang, MF Doom's still around, or he's old news, man. Didn't he die also? I swear. Yeah, he died recently, man. Yeah, dang. MF Doom. I've known about MF Doom for a long time, but I've never really listened to all of his albums or anything. Who else do I like? I don't even listen to music anymore these days. I'm not gonna lie, man. But New Job is bumping when I was younger. Listen to Sherry Sherry Lady? What the hell is that? I don't know what this is. Can I listen to this though without getting DMA striked or whatever? Anyways. You can if you split your stream audio. Yeah, I don't do that though. And every time I play music, like there's something I get emails from YouTube saying some shit. Twitch mutes my VODs and stuff. Yeah, it mutes your VODs. Man, what do I listen to these days? I listen to yeah, I do streaming on, I do like the dual stream thing. I don't listen to anything, man. That's the truth. Anyways, can you do that as affiliates? Wait, what do you mean? Streaming? Yeah, yeah. So Twitch used to not allow you to stream multiple platforms, but I think sometime last year they changed that rule where you're allowed to dual stream or triple stream or whatever stream. Snitch about what? Snitch about streaming on two platforms at the same time. It used to be illegal. Like once you're a Twitch affiliate, they're like you cannot stream the same content to other platforms unless 24 hours have gone by, then you can upload it. And then they changed that policy sometime last year where they'll allow you to dual stream. And I think that's what Icy Black Deep is talking about, no snitching. Anyways, it's almost time for me to go, but maybe this is a little sneak peek of what's to come, man. Maybe Icy Black Deep. Hopefully you can help me out, man, since you actually know some C++. I don't know who else knows C++ here, besides you. I think, yeah. I mean, I'm sure other people know C++, but maybe everyone else just knows how to be a cog in a big machine like myself. You know, I only know corporate C++. I've coded in C++ a lot, but it was a few years ago. Moved to Rust since then. What I know is ASIO is the land of blind faith in shared pointer. What does that mean? We shouldn't use ASIO. We should be using Boost ASIO or something, they're saying. Maybe I should like actually read all this stuff. But that's for another day. Step-by-step discussion of building a basic WebSocket server. That's what I want to do, man. The final product of this tutorial is the utility server example application from the example section. Boost is good, but you need to self-compile to get it working good, I found. Man, I think I tried to do some Boost stuff a couple years ago, and it took me like a really long, embarrassingly long amount of time to just compile Boost and to get things to work. And after that, I just never really went back in there. I was like, dang, it's all too much to learn right now. But I think I'm a lot more motivated these days to learn something. Because I think I gotta learn how to build these things. I think in Linux distros, the Boost distro is not even multiprocessor or multi-core. What? Now you gotta use ASIO or Boost version, but it consists of a lot of passing shared pointers to callbacks to keep the objects from going out of scope. And it feels kind of anti-C++ and more garbage collecty. Interesting. I mean, I get the gist of what you're saying, Icy Black Deep, but I suppose I'll see what you're talking about in the next few weeks, maybe, right? But yeah, I'm super excited to try and at least build C++ WebSockets in the back and then React application in the front end that will be talking to that socket server and doing something with it, you know? Got that daylight savings time boost? What you talking about, man? I did not get a boost. I got I don't know, a debuff, man. I was not ready for work today. I was very unproductive at work today, man. And I just blamed it on daylight savings. I just got an afternoon nap in. Dang, that's terrible, Icy Black Deep. I try not to take naps. But I think I took a little nap today too, I'm not gonna lie. Anyways, I think I'm done with updating the website for now until we introduce some sockets, and then we'll see what we can do with sockets. But you know, all of this is I'm building all this because I want to eventually make a type racer clone. And eventually, after I'm able to successfully build type racer, then I'm taking it one step further and I'm gonna build something even more complex than that. Maybe like some type of algorithms thing. We'll see, one step at a time, man. But I'm excited to be building all these things this year instead of just leak coding all the time, man. I think when I'm leak coding, I'm not even really getting any better because I don't learn anything new. I just practice stuff that I already know. But at least here when I'm building projects, I'm actually learning stuff that I didn't do before. Making the move to being a builder. Yeah, I'm trying to build something, man. I would love to build a product one day. Not necessarily a $10 billion valuation product or something insane, but man, if I could just build something that's even generates a couple $1,000s a month, I would be super happy, man. If I could do that, I would feel like more successful than how I felt getting into Google. You know, like I build something from the ground up and then it's generating a couple $1,000s a month. That's like more success in my eyes than getting into big tech. Have you seen the PM4Die Twitch stream? Yeah, but I don't know what they're doing, man. I always see them on and they got a nice view and everything, but who knows what the hell they're building. I don't tune in long enough to find out. They're trying to build an AI app in 90 days. Yeah. That's, man, I would love to do something like that where I just focus on something for like 3 months straight. Those dudes are probably just on Twitter all day. But man, I would love to like 3 months not have to work. I've really been considering taking unpaid leave and maybe for like 1 month or something, and then just every day do like how I did LeetCode originally, just show up for 8-10 hours a day on stream and just build something complex and see how far I can get by pushing myself for like a 30-day period. That's like one of my biggest dreams, man, because that's how I used to program. When I first started programming, I used to just eat Adderalls and program non-stop for like months on end, and that's how I found a lot of success in the spam game or in the like black hat world game when I used to do all that shady stuff. And I've never really tried to apply the same things to a legit programming, like not black hat programming, because I don't know why, I guess. And I think streaming on Twitch, it's kind of like Adderall for me, because Adderall makes me focus like crazy. And then when I'm streaming on Twitch, I feel the same level of focus, maybe a little bit less because I have to talk to chat, but I don't really think about anything else, man. How many t-shirts do I own? Man, I own many t-shirts, but they're all the same. I own, when I find a t-shirt that I like, I'll buy like 25 of them. and I won't even open them up. I'll leave most of them unopened in their packaging, and I'll just use them, and then as they deteriorate I throw them out and I replace them with my stash. But or 2 LeetCode t-shirts. Yeah, I got 2 LeetCode t-shirts. But I haven't. Alright, the last time I bought a big batch of t-shirts like that was a few years ago, and I'm down to like my last couple t-shirts, so I might have to go buy a bunch more. But I wait for like a deal. I don't buy them at regular price. I always wait until there's some kind of sale going on. I like the Kick t-shirts with the green logo. Kick t-shirts? What are you talking about? Anyways, it's almost time for me to get out of here, so maybe I'll just leave soon. You know, Kick, the streaming service. Oh yeah, I don't even know what the logo looks like. I see. Are you talking about this? Should I stream on Kick as well? Motivation to keep LeetCoding. If you don't win competitions, you run out of t-shirts. Man, can I buy a t-shirt again soon? Let me see how many points I got. Man, I got 5,300 points. What can I buy? Should I go shopping? That's a generic as hell logo. Yeah, it looks like the same font I got on my website. Man, I forgot they bumped up the dang prices, man. So I can't even afford anything, and I don't even have the hoodie anymore. Oh, Q Ultimus made it just in time before I ended stream. What's happening, Q? LeetCoin inflation. Yeah, it's crazy, man. I guess, alright. The next thing, since there's no more hoodie, man, I guess I'll just get the cap. I got the notebook already from well, LeetCode gave me the notebook for being employee of the month, but then it never came, and then Chi gifted me one of his notebooks. So this notebook is from Chi Impacts, man. Thank you very much. And I've never actually used that notebook for anything. So yeah, I might just get the cap next, unless the hoodie's gonna make a comeback. I think this laptop sleeve is lame. 9,400 for this, a key ring, also lame. Anyways, all right, Q, let me show you what you missed in today's stream. So I updated the website, so I got these links. These links go to your LeetCode profile, and the other link goes to your public Midnight Simon profile. And look at these stats for you. You won 27 Type Racer championships. This is your average WPMs. Your best race here is 127. This is your average for championship wins. And all of your stats are up here too. So that was what I worked on today, just adding that public profile page and adding that thing to the leaderboards. Russia? Who's from Russia, man? What you talking about? You mentioned black hat stuff. What is a good place to practice, learn that stuff where you won't get arrested? Man, I don't know, man. I've been inactive for many years. Maybe like 7-8 years I've been inactive. But man, you're not gonna get in trouble if if you don't get caught. But it depends on what you're doing, man. If you're trying to like hack some banks, you're gonna get in trouble. If you're trying to scrape prices from Amazon and circumvent their bot detection, you're not gonna get in trouble. You're not gonna get arrested, man. You know, if you're trying to make fake accounts for some websites, you're not gonna get arrested, you know. So it depends on what you're really trying to do with the black hat stuff. General rule of thumb that we used to go by is if you're messing with anything financial or government, you're gonna get in trouble, man. If you're committing fraud or something, you might get in trouble. But if you're just scraping data or creating accounts or running bots, you're probably not gonna get in trouble, you know. Flood Ticketmaster? What? Commercial? Oh, we're in a commercial. Well, we're about to end stream, so I guess I'll wait till the ad break ends. You're saying we should all build bots? Man, I think building bots is a lot crazier these days with all the bot detection things. Like, bot detection systems have matured a lot, so it's like, it's really hard to get by, man. At least if you're making bots for any major website, it becomes difficult. But there's always ways. I've been thinking, like, it's been kind of bringing me back to my black hat days, trying to scrape, like, even LeetCode, man. Trying to scrape data from LeetCode. It's been a little bit annoying. And I've been thinking about maybe doing SaaS, man. SaaS, scraping as a service, you know. Maybe I can try and market my scraping talents and really build out something like some type of scraping framework and utilize that and then sell scraping as a service out there. I don't know, man. You could use LeetCode's API. You could. But even then, I think they have Cloudflare, and they do some checks to make sure like you're not doing anything too crazy. But I think it's easy to get around LeetCode at least. How I'm doing this is just with browser bots. Like, it's very difficult to detect a browser bot, man. But if you're doing like a headless bot or like a straight up web request bot that doesn't have a actual browser, those are a lot harder to get the flow of the website correct, because they put all types of traps in there for you, and if you don't like call this URL or do this thing or have this secret password in there, then you get flagged as a bot, you know, and it just doesn't give you the information you need. Anyways, I gotta go, man. Let's go raid somebody. Who are we gonna raid? Somebody said PM4 died. These guys are creepy. Man, I don't want to talk shit about anybody really, but I can see why you think that they're a bit creepy. Are they sitting in the dark? Yeah, it looks like it. Should we raid LeetCoders? Or what? Should we raid Snowcone? This guy actually doing Algo Monster. Oh lordy. Alright, let's go raid this person. Let's save them from Algo Monster, man. Isn't Algo Monster from Clement or something? I don't know. Anyways, time to get out of here. Not even sure what Algo Monster is, yeah. Is CM Griffin streaming? CM Griffin is streaming, but on his other channel. All right, everybody. Thank you very much for tuning in today. It's been a somewhat productive day, I think. Um, Wednesday, we're gonna try and make that dang WebSocket server. So if you're tired of this web dev junk, you're tired of LeetCode, and you just want some other stuff, Wednesday, C++ WebSockets. We'll see if we can make a basic WebSocket server, and then we'll see if we can connect to that server from our React front end, and then take it from there. Anyways, Q Ultimus, Icy Black Deep, Rfire333. Have a good night, everybody. KMat FPS, Software Tools. Have a good night. See you later. Everybody from YouTube, Simon Lally, Trevor C. Adios. Have a good night. Spetsnaz Logic. See you later. Thank you very much for tuning in. And Q, 149 WPMs on a new keyboard. Is that correct? Did you just get an all-time high 149 WPMs on the brand new keyboard? Crazy, man. Insane. All right. See you later, everybody.